Good evening, everyone. Thanks for listening today. I would like to present with my writing with the title "Story About Movies Miko." Maharobo is a village this far under the foot of mountain wonderful, and then in village time slow this is Karusugawa Himeko live, and then Himeko just only one meets criteria, and then but has quills about this bird. And then people see Soma and Chikena, and Chikena is the harmonist, and then harmonist, and then who just like Himeko, and then but Chikena really this true toward Chikena courage and way emotion and he was on the embrace body Chikena in blood. That's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Good evening.